Let's see where we end up. Okay, can anyone hear us now?
She's gonna pop in any minute.
That's the old one.
All right, can you hear us now? Anyone hear us now? I think we're in a different place.
Are we live?
No, I don't know.
We're live somewhere.
Okay, so, well, I was looking at the old video, so this is a new video.
This is a new video now.
I got to go find it.
But David's got to go find it. And then I guess, can you put the link in the old one? I don't know.
Yes, we are back. There you are. Back.
Is it happening?
I don't know.
Yes.
We're back. We're back.
And
we're back.
People are joining.
Everybody's
They found you. I think some found you.
Is it working?
Lisa's ice is melting.
Oh my God, we're so sorry for the technical difficulties.
Oh my God. This is so this week, isn't it?
If you're still with us, thank you for hanging on.
Thank you.
A moment. Oh, you got people in there.
We're happy you're all back.
Yay. Okay.
Yay.
So this is a metaphor, Debriana. If we can get through this, we can get through anything. So hopefully it's been a really tough week this week, and not only Coronaville, all the death in this country, the horrific violence. I mean,
our sound.
The sound doesn't work. I mean, it's rough, and you know, trying to cope. So Friday's cocktail night,
and we're having mojitos. So every time you hit the lime, the sound went out. So let's see. Try a lime.
What?
Try the lime.
Try a lime. Okay.
Okay. So, let's see if the sound stays.
So it's funny, this kind of helped me because I forgot to do something. What I'm going to do is, before I start, this is my little mojito-y twist. I like to put lime on the rim of the glass and then take some raw turbinado sugar.
Oh, nice.
And put it on there because I like that crunchy. So I don't like mine very sugary, and I'll tell you why. So this is going to be like this. Okay. All right. So I guess I've said this 3 times now.
I know. You're getting good at it.
So it's been week from hell in the United States. We're having cocktails. I always feel better when I have a mojito, so there you go. I'm making Nojitos and mojitos, which is non-alcohol and the alcohol, whichever you prefer. They're both delicious. I have regular limes, and I have found some lovely key limes, which I'm really excited about because they add a certain tartness. The key elements are limes and fresh mint, and I just sugared the glass with the lime juice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the juice of 1 lime. But before I do that, I'm going to zest a little lime in here. And why am I doing that, Debriana? Because
it has the good oils in it, in the skin.
Yes.
We like all the oil, all that lime oil. Put the lime in the coconut.
Exactly. But there's another reason. Now, the perfect mojito uses the simple syrup, okay, with the cane sugar. But those are too sugary for my sensibilities. So what I like to do is I like to make honey simple syrup. But that takes a little time, and it takes an hour to prep, so I'm going to tell you how to do it. But since I don't have that kind of time, I'm going to improvise. So I'm putting in the zest I would put into my honey syrup. You know, I'm just coronaing it. You know, it makes sense. So I'm going to take this beautiful lime, and I'm going to use the Italian
twister. The Italian twister.
And the sound's still going.
Yay! It's not the lime.
And the juice of 1 lime, the whole lime. So that's half of one right there. And then I'm going to do the other half. And then just for fun.
Is this one drink?
What?
Is this one drink you're doing? One line per drink?
One line per drink. And
Okay.
I'm going to put also 1 key lime in there. The juice of 1 key lime. All right. Here we go. And then they're tough little things. These
They
limes.
are.
But they taste so good.
So see, this is your workout before the drink.
The lemon squeezer wouldn't work in this instance. Peggy.
No, it would not. Sorry, Peggy.
So, the lime is in. The sugar is on the rim. The zest is in. Now I'm going to take about 10 large mint leaves. I like it minty. And also, this is a little trick I learned from a ex-boyfriend from years ago. You slap it.
I know. This is such a violent little drink. We're reaming and we're slapping. And
To release the oils. And then I like to tear it a little bit. You don't want to overdo this because then it gets weird and gets in your teeth. And if you were on a date or something, or just hanging out with your significant other, that's a good look. It's not a good look. Now, here's the thing that I'm coronaing right now. Now, if this were me regularly, what I would do is I would take a cup of water and put it in a little saucepan with half a cup of honey. You heat it up on low until the honey totally dissolves in the water. After it dissolves, and that's where I would add the little lime zest. After that dissolves, you let it sit and cool, and then you refrigerate it in like a mason jar or something with the lid. That's your honey simple syrup. It's amazing, and I have it as the basis of all drinks for the summer. And I like that better than cane sugar myself. So that's what you can do. You can also do that with regular sugar and make a simple syrup. It's the same ratio. 1 cup to half cup.
right.
So now I got the mint in there, and I've got the zest, and I've got the lime juice. But because I don't have the simple syrup, you could do this too. If you're just lazy or, whatever. You can also just put in, like a tablespoon, or a teaspoon, not a
teaspoon.
teaspoon of honey.
Teaspoon of honey.
And how many people know what this is? No, it is not a small baseball bat. Who knows what this is?
Uh-oh. Anyone gonna guess? Does anyone know?
Anyone?
I don't see anybody guessing.
Okay, this is called a muddler.
It's a muddler.
You're gonna muddle what's in there. So I'm gonna gently muddle the honey, the lime juice, the zest, and the mint leaf. Now you don't want to, macerate this because then it gets weird. You just do it enough to release the mint oils into the lime juice and get the honey incorporated. Okay, right? And of course, the inevitable is going to happen where the leaves stick to the muddler. Okay, you take them off. Now, see, if you have the simple syrup, it would be divine because you don't get the sticky honey, but sometimes I don't mind it. Really good.
No, see, and this is good for allergies.
No. Okay. So then we're going to take the ice that is now practically melted.
Because this is now round 3.
So we're going to put the ice in, and you put lots of ice in there. Then we're going to put in our rum. I got some Bacardi Superior. And traditionally you use, I believe, 2 ounces, which is, I don't know, is that like 2 jiggers? I don't know what it is.
2 ounces is 1/4 cup.
Okay. So,
because I'm the measurer. Now I'm coming in handy.
I made Mocktails with the Pyrex. But that's okay. So I got 2 ounces, but of course, if you have a shot glass, you know what to do. All right. So I'm going to pour this over the ice. Yay. And then the pièce de résistance is I have some lime seltzer.
Oh, nice.
Put that in over the ice. Yeah. Then You're gonna take a spoon and you're just gonna like lift up the leaves to get a pretty little scene there. And also you want it to, you know, totally mix and incorporate, right?
Oh, that makes sense. Oh my God, I want that now.
And what I like to do is I like to take a fancy little lime and, you know, make a little garnish, right, of lime, but then also take another beautiful thing of mint, stick that.
And that is a pretty drink.
So there you have it, folks. I'm going to now have a drink.
But I want to know what's in the Nojito. No shaking. No, it's got soda in there.
Oh my God. It is so good.
Refreshing.
It takes the edge right off, people.
Healing and refreshing all at once.
Mm. And it is medicinal for some reason, with like the limes and the and the rum. But
well, it's kind of like cough syrup.
look at this. I have some steel straws. Save the turtles.
Oh, geez, you're just funny. Okay, well, I want to know how you do the Nojito.
Okay, so here's the Nojito. A little elf already prepared this. Well,
in version 2 of the show.
Technical difficulties. So it's basically the exact same thing. I just put the juice of 1 lime. I put the zest in. I put the mint leaves in. I'm now going to put a teaspoon of honey in there, right? I'm going to muddle it. You do exactly the same thing, but not too hard, right? Get it all
a gentle muddle. Just a gentle muddle.
Don't get muddled, okay? Don't get muddled. No rum, big snake. Okay.
Then no rum.
Then put the ice in. And it's so easy. You just pour in the seltzer, right?
Lime seltzer, yeah.
That's all it is. And then you mix it up. And
there's no Jito in it. There's no Jito.
Oh, there's no Jito in the Nojito. So then I'm going to also put, you know, garnish. And
yeah, you don't treat yourself on the Nojito. You put the nice garnish too.
Yeah, I put the sugar on there. Do it up. It's literally exactly the same, except no rum. It's exactly the same.
Yep.
And you can make a picture of these on a hot summer day. Yum.
Mm-hmm. Porch drinking, I'm saying.
And have this. It's so refreshing and good. So the mint just makes your stomach feel better if you have an ulcer over the events in the United States lately. It's really good stuff.
It is really good. And it's medicinal.
Yes, that is right.
It's going to cure what ails you.
It really does. And, you know, I think that we all deserve a little break on a Friday night.
Yes, we do.
Now, I will say, when I pour the honey in directly without the
simple syrup,
it just doesn't quite incorporate in the way that
it doesn't mix as well. Yeah,
so it's not perfect. But am I complaining? No.
No.
I'm happy to drink this right now.
I'm almost happy to watch you drink it. I'm just happy we got through all the sound issues.
Me too. Thank you.
Thanks, you guys, for hanging in there with us.
And, you know, cheers, everybody. I hope next week's better. I really hope it's better.
I hope next week is better, too. In the meantime, it's not like this is our last show for the week. We will be here tomorrow.
We'll be here tomorrow, and the next day,
and the next day, and the next day.
And the next day. But just, you know, hug your loved ones, reach out to one another. We're all one, people, or as Seamus, my youngest, used to say when he was little, Mom, I don't get the whole racism thing. You're either humanoid or alien. Seamus gets it. Seamus gets it. And that's really what it is. And we have to, you know, we just gotta do way better. Not
Hang in there for each other.
not okay right now. It's terrible.
And I'm mentally drinking that mojito with you.
Well, if you want to come by, I'll make you one.
I'll do a drive-by mojito run.
Put it on the porch right now if you want one.
Okay. I'm driving. Well, thank you. I'm glad there's no complaining. Thank you, Mara.
Yay! It all worked out. When people enjoy, I'll post the recipe and picture, and just try to love one another. It's got to be about the love. It can't be about the hate. It just
No. Enjoy, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.